Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can delete your profile on the Linktree app. But first I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. Open the Linktree app, then tap on the bottom right corner on the more, and you have to scroll down all to the bottom. And here you can see delete account. You can easily tap on it. You have to enter delete my account for confirmation, and you have to tap on yes, delete my account. After you did it, you deleted your account. And that's pretty much for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one.